Easter is the most important celebration in the Christian faith. It commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead, 3 days after his crucifixion. For Christians worldwide, Easter represents victory over death and hope for eternal life. Easter Sunday marks the culmination of Holy Week, a time of intense reflection and remembrance of Jesus' final days. Easter is a joyous occasion, often celebrated with special church services, family gatherings, and festive meals. The resurrection of Jesus is the cornerstone of Christian belief. It is the event that gives meaning to Jesus' life, death, and teachings. Without the resurrection, Christianity would lose its core message of hope and salvation. Easter is a time for Christians to reflect on the sacrifice Jesus made for humanity and to renew their faith in his promises. The Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church is one of the oldest Christian denominations in the world. With a history dating back to the 4th century, the Ethiopian Orthodox Church has developed unique traditions and rituals that reflect its ancient roots. Easter, known as Fasika in Amharic, is the most important holiday for Ethiopian Orthodox Christians. The celebrations are deeply rooted in the cultural and historical heritage of Ethiopia. One of the most striking aspects of Ethiopian Orthodox Easter is its distinct calendar. The church follows the ancient Julian calendar, which often places Easter on a different date than the Gregorian calendar used by most of the Western world. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church places a strong emphasis on fasting, particularly during Lent, the 55 days leading up to Easter. This period of spiritual preparation is marked by strict dietary restrictions and intense prayer. Fasting plays a central role in the Ethiopian Orthodox observance of Lent. During this period known as Abi Psalm or the Great Lent, believers abstain from all animal products including meat, dairy, and eggs. This strict fast is a physical and spiritual discipline, a way for Orthodox Christians to identify with Christ's suffering and to purify themselves in preparation for Easter. The fasting culminates in a joyous break on Easter Sunday, when the faithful partake in a lavish feast. The Easter feast is a celebration of the resurrection and the end of the Lenten fast. Traditional dishes include Doro Wat, a spicy chicken stew, and injera, a spongy flatbread. The breaking of the fast is a communal affair, with families and friends gathering to share a meal and celebrate the joyous occasion. Holy Week, known as Hegzias Metzahaf in Amharic, is a time of solemn remembrance and spiritual reflection for Ethiopian Orthodox Christians. Each day of Holy Week holds special significance, marked by unique services and prayers. Good Friday, known as Sikle, commemorates the crucifixion of Jesus. It is a day of mourning and fasting, with churches holding somber processions and reenactments of the crucifixion. Easter Saturday is a day of anticipation and preparation for the resurrection. Churches hold vigil services throughout the night, culminating in the joyous announcement of Christ's resurrection at dawn. Easter Sunday, known as Tinsay, meaning resurrection, is the highlight of the year for Ethiopian Orthodox Christians. It is a day of immense joy and celebration, marked by elaborate church services, traditional dancing, and feasting. The Easter celebrations continue for 8 days known as Senbet, culminating on the following Sunday known as Dawit or New Sunday. Section 5. Catholic Easter in Ethiopia, a fusion of global and local. Catholics in Ethiopia, while a minority compared to Orthodox Christians, also celebrate Easter with great fervor. Their celebrations blend global Catholic traditions with local Ethiopian customs, creating a unique expression of faith. Catholic Easter celebrations in Ethiopia follow the Roman Catholic liturgical calendar, aligning with the dates observed by Catholics worldwide. Holy Week is marked by special masses and processions, culminating in the Easter Vigil on Saturday night. The Easter Vigil is a powerful and symbolic service, beginning in darkness and culminating in the lighting of the Paschal candle, symbolizing the light of Christ overcoming the darkness of sin and death. Catholics in Ethiopia often incorporate local customs into their Easter celebrations, such as the sharing of traditional Ethiopian foods and the wearing of traditional clothing. This fusion of global and local traditions reflects the dynamic nature of the Catholic Church in Ethiopia. Section 6. Protestant Celebrations, Simplicity and Scriptural Focus. Protestant denominations in Ethiopia, including evangelicals, Pentecostals, and Baptists, celebrate Easter with a focus on simplicity and adherence to biblical teachings. Their celebrations emphasize the resurrection as a historical event and its theological implications for salvation. Protestant Easter services typically feature sermons centered on the resurrection narrative, congregational singing, and prayers of thanksgiving. The atmosphere is generally less formal than Orthodox or Catholic services, reflecting the Protestant emphasis on personal faith and direct access to God. While Protestant celebrations may not be as visually elaborate as Orthodox or Catholic traditions, they are no less heartfelt. For Protestant Christians in Ethiopia, Easter is a time to reflect on the transformative power of the resurrection and to share the message of hope with others. Protestant communities often organize outreach programs and community events during Easter, sharing the message of hope and celebrating the resurrection with those around them. Section 7. The Tapestry of Diversity. Comparing Easter practices. Easter celebrations in Ethiopia offer a fascinating glimpse into the country's religious diversity. While all Christian denominations share the core belief in Jesus' resurrection, their expressions of faith and celebratory practices vary significantly. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church, with its ancient roots and unique traditions, offers a glimpse into the historical depth of Christianity in Ethiopia. Their celebrations are deeply intertwined with Ethiopian culture, emphasizing fasting, feasting, and elaborate liturgical practices. Catholic Easter celebrations in Ethiopia showcase a blend of global Catholic traditions and local Ethiopian customs. This fusion reflects the Church's ability to adapt and thrive in diverse cultural contexts. Protestant celebrations, with their emphasis on simplicity and scriptural adherence, highlight the diversity within Protestantism itself. Their focus on personal faith and community outreach reflects their growing presence in Ethiopia. Section 8. The enduring significance of Easter in Ethiopia. Despite the differences in their celebrations, Easter holds profound significance for all Christians in Ethiopia. It is a time for spiritual renewal, family gatherings, and communal celebration. Easter serves as a powerful reminder of the shared beliefs that unite Christians across denominations. The belief in Jesus' death and resurrection, the hope for eternal life, and the call to love and serve others. In a country as diverse as Ethiopia, Easter serves as a unifying force, bringing people together to celebrate the core tenets of their faith. The joyous celebrations and acts of kindness witnessed during Easter transcend religious boundaries, fostering a spirit of unity and goodwill. The enduring significance of Easter in Ethiopia lies in its ability to inspire hope, renew faith, and strengthen communities. Section 9. Conclusion, Unity and Diversity. Easter celebrations in Ethiopia showcase the rich tapestry of Christian traditions within the country. From the ancient rituals of the Ethiopian Orthodox to the blended practices of Catholics and the scriptural focus of Protestants, each denomination offers a unique expression of faith. Despite their differences, these celebrations share a common thread: the joyous affirmation of Jesus' resurrection and its profound implications for humanity. Easter in Ethiopia is a testament to the enduring power of faith, the beauty of diversity, and the unifying spirit of hope. As we have seen, Easter in Ethiopia is not merely a religious holiday, it is a vibrant expression of culture, identity, and community. The celebrations offer a glimpse into the heart of Ethiopian Christianity, reflecting the country's rich history, Why do 90% of viewers never hit subscribe? Let's change that today. Subscribing to my channel is super easy. Just hit that red button below, and you're all set. Not only does it keep you in the loop with my latest videos, but it also helps me create more content that you love. But wait, there's more! Sharing my videos with your friends and family is like giving me a virtual high five. It spreads the word, brings in more awesome viewers like you, and helps our community grow. So, if you've enjoyed my content so far, show some love. Hit subscribe, turn on those notifications,